let me check this. Maybe it's September 30th? No, 28th. Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have some live swatches for you on these Sassy Sauce nail polishes. Sassy Sauce Polish is releasing a new collection every month, which is absolutely amazing. And also, since I believe August, Carrie is participating in polish pickup, so I will also swatch for you the nail polish that she has ready for the October polish pickup, which is, I believe, Urban Legend. I do hope you will like this video. If you do, then don't forget to thumbs it up for me. That way you will also show me that you are enjoying watching my live swatch videos. And of course, if you don't want to miss out on her upcoming releases, then also hit the subscribe button before you leave. I would like to say that all of these nail polishes were sent to me from the owner of Sassy Sauce Polish, owner and the creator of Sassy Sauce Polish, Carrie. So thank you so much, Carrie, for sending these to me. And as you know, in the past I already swatched some of her polishes for you and I really enjoy them. In this release, that's the September release, you are getting 2 thermal polishes, 1 topper, 1 kind of like glittery cream, and then it looks like almost like a holographic brownish color. Perfect for fall, and I can't wait to put this on my nails. And of course, as I mentioned, you will also have the polish pickup nail polish swatched in this video, and that one is also a thermal polish. Typically, I am not really a big fan of thermal polishes, but Carrie's polishes are really good. I mean, I thoroughly enjoy the transitions on my nails, and they do have a pretty strong transition for the most part. Let's see how these will transform on my nails while I'm swatching them for you. Alright, I will leave everything for you in the description box, so definitely check out her Instagram account and her shop. And this will be releasing on September 28th, 2019 at 11 AM CST. So definitely keep an eye on these polishes, and yeah, now I will just jump into swatching them for you, and then I will come back and share my thoughts on my favorites and possibly unfavorites, but I doubt that one. So keep watching and then I will come back. your thoughts on these new nail polishes from Sassy Sauce Polish? I am again very impressed. I don't know what Carrie is doing in her little, room where she is creating these nail polishes, but I am in love with every single one of them. Even the thermals, and as you know, I am not really fond of the thermal nail polishes. They just have absolutely stunning transitions, and they take couple seconds even when they're transforming from the cold stage into the warm stage, so you get a very nice time to actually see the transition of her thermal polishes. So I would highly recommend you every single polish from the September releases. And of course, don't forget to also pick up your polish pickup polish, which will be available October 4th through October 7th on Polish Pickup's website, and the September releases are coming out on September 28th, 11 a.m. CST, so definitely stay tuned. If I would recommend you two faves, then definitely Cellar Door. That polish just blew me away and I don't want to take it off. It does have a little bit trickier formula, but it's so worth it and I really like it. And you do need sweet corn. You do need it. That polish and the transition on it, it's just stunning. It looks like candy corn on your nails without the white, but it looks like candy corn when it's transitioning from the orange into the yellow color. But as I said, I do love every single one of them, and if you pick up any of these, you won't be disappointed. Thank you, Carrie, one more time for sending me these polishes, and you will definitely see them in my upcoming nail art tutorials, so stay tuned. And yeah, that's it from me, so let me know what are your thoughts and if you will be picking up any of these polishes. And as I said, the polish pickup will be open October 4th through October 7th. Alright guys, that's it from me, so thank you so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.